is on this third round replay, and it'll be the home side to get us underway. The referee, Andre Mariner. Wolves in the old gold. Will be attacking the goal away to our right-hand side in this first half on a bitterly, bitterly cold night. Well, Brighton and Hove Albion await the winners in round 4. That tie will take place at the Amex Stadium in just 12 days' time. So will this pole is Liverpool. Oh, now the lead. And he gets the cross in as well. Kisa on the overlap. Instead he plays it in towards Raul Jimenez. And it's a terrific start for Wolves.
Well, it's evident, isn't it, Gary, straight away what the tactics are from Wolves. It's to get it out to Traore as much as possible. It's interesting that they centre half pair and Konaté's
Lemba Kisa. And there is Gomez. Appearances. Not them. Oh, it shouldn't have been a problem. Vassar almost presented it to Carvalho.
Yeah, I think Tsimikas just put him off slightly, didn't he? But that was actually a good build-up play from the left-hand side from Liverpool to the right. It was a delivery in 15 minutes, but after that done, it's the left-sided centre-back.
Give away. Dive here. Totti trying to play it in to Gakpo. And all on his own here. Elliott. Oh, a beauty! What a majestic strike from Harvey Elliott. It absolutely flew in.
I've got to say, absolutely no chance for the goalkeeper. I'm not sure about his starting position, but it didn't look like it went very high, the strike from Harvey Elliott. But the vision, the awareness, and he'll be a happy man. Certainly after what happened at the weekend in the game against Brighton at the weekend.
That's the return here from Gakpo. Johnny.
The position that he got into was very, very good. And there's the pace and the danger with Traore when he picks it up.
It was a bad giveaway by Cetic.
Yeah, it was, but Tsimikas was... You would say that Traore's pace is...
Scored first. Carvalho, Tsimikas! Always rising, but the shot was on.
It certainly was, but it wasn't short of a confident player, though, was it? You know, you've got to get...
Moutinho, great looking. Yeah, did at the weekend, that's for sure. The original tie. Wolves gave it away. And then a foul by Neves on Carvalho. Ragged a little bit at the back there, Wolves.
Well, that's where Liverpool have done really well. You know, they've closed down that.
No, Thiago whips it in. Jimenez.
He was in a great position to see it, wasn't he? And once again, it was good build-up play from Liverpool. Patient, just waiting for the opening. They've not got a lot of height. And when Gakpo pulls out to the right hand.
And it's a foul. Looking for Gakpo. Colin. Gakpo.
More often than not.
Milner with a foul on Raul Jimenez. You're right. He's gone over under the challenge of Tsimikas. Another free kick to Wolves.
Yeah, both teams have been guilty of giving the ball away, haven't they? You know, when they try to play out from the back into midfield, we see with Thiago there, he's trying to play.
Although he bends it in. Mike Nouri, free kick.
It's his enthusiasm, isn't it, Gary? You know.
Milner. Pops it on to Raul Jimenez. There's no Totti's header. Konaté drives. Elliott. Gakpo.
Yeah, it was worth the hit, wasn't it? I mean, it wasn't the greatest of angles, a cute angle for him. You can see how disappointed he is. But look at the number of red shirts in and around the 18-yard box. You know, that's 8 players that's up there. There's only the 2 centre-backs. It's back 4.
This corner over Gomez. Gakpo. Carvalho. 2-0. Flags up.
Yeah, he looked offside, Gary, didn't he? He just went a little bit too soon.
Well, it's Jose Sarr putting that straight behind under pressure from Gakpo. This is more like the old Liverpool.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the look.
An assist earned this move. Here's Traore. Well, that's the ball that worked so well for them early on in the game.
That's his pace, Gary, isn't it? That's what he is. So
needed to release it. And that's a foul by Totti.
Well, he's just claiming there, isn't he, Matthias, that there was a foul on him, and as he tried to break through the Liverpool midfield, got in behind.
Nuri, past Mateus. That's ambitious to say. Traoré. Outswinger from the Frenchman. Ruben Neves. Oh, appeals for handball. I think struck like that, he'd be very, very fortunate to get a penalty.
I think there's no question it hit Keita's arm though.
Nuri showed too much of it.
I played with, undoubtedly, it was John Barnes.
Well, Jimenez just ran into trouble, but he's been fouled by Thiago.
Yeah, he does that quite a lot, doesn't he, Thiago? When he just slides in from positions where there's no need to make the challenge. He's never favourite to win it.
Fouled by the Frenchman, Nuri.
Yeah, another one, needless free kick to give away. I mean, there was an opportunity there for Wales to really pressurise Liverpool high up.
Gakpo vacated the space the ball went in. Too close to Milner, first time. Raul Jimenez and Traoré with a wild effort, which has almost cleared the stand.
Yeah, he didn't really look set to take the shot on there. But once again, you win.
Ewan said no. Through for Gakpo. Good save. The flag has now gone up. Did look offside.
He looked well offside, didn't he? As soon as it was played through, he was like,
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. ازيكم يا بنات، عاملين ايه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. شايفين بقى الجمال ده؟ ده جلاش بالكبد والقوانص. هو انا يعني قبل ما اسويه كنت مقطعاه كده، فانا هقطعه واوريكم بقى اللقطة بقى وانا كده يعني حطيته في الطبق وكده. طريقته سهلة جدا، ان شاء الله تعجبكم. الطريقة تنزل في الفيديو الجاي ان شاء الله كده. الوصفات اللي انا بنزلها تعجبكم. هو طريقته سهله، ما خدش مني وقت خالص. طبعا بقى ايه، كل واحده بقى بتحب الجلاش. في ناس بتحبه بالكبد والقوانص، وفي ناس بتحبه باللحمه المفرومه، فالاكل ده مزاج. فانا لما جربته قبل كده بالكبد والقوانص عجبني قوي وقلت يعني ايه هعمله على طول بس كده. فهوريكم بقى بعد ما اقطعه، وان شاء الله يعجبكم. يلا اشوفكم بقى في فيديو جديد. يلا مع السلامه.